Welcome to the video on mastering effective communication skills, essential for landing your first job. In today's competitive job market, employers are not just looking for technical skills. They prioritize verbal and non-verbal communication. Let's break down both verbal and non-verbal communication skills that will help you excel in interviews and at work. Verbal communication. Be clear and concise. Employers value clarity. When speaking, get to the point without rambling. For example, if you say that you have a lot of experience in data analysis, that is not clear. But if you say, I have been working in advanced Excel and use of pivot tables for the last 2 years for data analysis, that is being very clear. The interviewer can then ask questions on that topic to verify if you have that skill that you claim to have. Practice summarizing your ideas and avoid filler words like or you know. Know your audience. Tailor your speech to your audience, whether it's in a job interview or networking event. In an interview, you have to use formal language, wish them properly, and you cannot use the language that you would use with your friends or in WhatsApp chats. Same thing goes for written communication like letters or emails, where you cannot use you instead of you. Use professional language, but avoid jargon unless you're sure the listener will understand it. Jargons are words which are known to only those in that particular industry. For example, cookies are small text files that websites send to a user's browser to store information about the user and their browsing activity, whereas for a common person it can mean biscuits to be eaten with tea. Active listening. Communication is two-way. Focus on listening carefully and respond thoughtfully. Your body language should show that you are listening actively with full attention to the speaker. If your mind wanders here and there, or if you start rehearsing your reply midway through the interviewer's question, you may give a wrong answer. Never interrupt the speaker and wait for the person to finish the sentence. People who are constantly interrupting come across as very rude. Make sure you are paying attention to the speaker. Prepare and practice. Before interviews, rehearse answers to common questions to boost your confidence. These days, you can get many software apps which can engage in conversations with you. Practice using them. Even ChatGPT has an advanced voice mode where you can discuss any topic and practice the answers. After some practice, you can practice in front of a mirror and then make a team of 2 or 3 friends for further practice. Being prepared helps you articulate your thoughts more effectively. It is said that practice makes one perfect. There is no alternative to constant practice. Nonverbal communication. Eye contact is, well, incredibly important. Maintaining eye contact shows confidence and engagement during interviews. If you look down or sideways, it is often a sign of either nervousness, lack of interest, or even telling lies. Interviewers cannot gain confidence in students who do not keep eye contact. So, practice speaking with eye contact with your friends. Posture and body language. Stand and sit with a straight back. Don't slouch on the chair. A slight forward bend shows your interest. Open, relaxed body language makes you look approachable and confident. Avoid crossing your arms or slouching. Crossing the arms on your chest shows you are not open to any suggestions. Gestures. Use hand gestures to emphasize points, but don't overdo it. Keep your movements natural. Use hand gestures only to emphasize a point, but using gestures with every word can be irritating to the eyes of the listener. Gestures can make you seem more passionate and engaged. Tone and facial expressions. Your tone should match the message you want to convey. Smiling can help create a positive atmosphere, but smiling while narrating a sad story can show that your story is not genuine. Effective communication is the bridge to success in the job market. By mastering verbal and nonverbal communication, you'll not only perform better in interviews, but also thrive in professional environments. Start practicing today to become more confident and capable in every interaction. For more such videos, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell button to get notifications. If you prefer videos in a mixture of Kannada and English, you can visit youtube.com/VJ Mentoring Kannada, which is meant for those like me who have studied in Kannada medium and are interested in becoming better in English.